getting all the yards. It's from there actually that England need to do better, because he's made the initial contact and then it needs to jump quickly. Quite a lot of this, Eddie, has been caused by Wales deciding, other than keeping the ball in hand, which they did earlier on, to simply kick the ball long downfield, ostensibly for territory, but England are bringing it back.
Get the ball.
2.
Kick from Farrell from an acute angle and forwards, and indeed teams like have kickers who can keep this. Well, that's overkill. That's overkill, rather.
Got to be careful. That's the interval is on from being dropped.
Yeah, but nothing wrong with that.
No, I agree. But George North with a follow-up tackle. Morgan did well. Strettle did even better.